Last time we will already studied the herbal medicine. In herbal medicine, we will already studied the definition, their importance of medicines, as well as the classification of crude drugs, the classification on the basis of their taxonomic position, as well as morphological character, as well as on the basis of chemical substances present in that drugs. Then now we will study the herbal cosmetology. कॉस्मेटॉलॉजी आपण बघत असतो. कॉस्मेटॉलॉजी म्हणजे काय? तर कॉस्मेटिक जे आपण सौंदर्य प्रकाश जे वापरतो, सौंदर्य प्रसाधने, त्या सौंदर्य प्रसाधनामध्ये कुठल्या प्लांट इन्ग्रेडियंटचा उपयोग केला जातो, कुठले कुठले प्लांट उपयोगी पडतात त्याच्यामध्ये, हे आपल्याला बघायचं आहे हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक्समध्ये. तर हर्बल कॉस्मेटिकमध्ये पहिल्यांदा काय, त्याने फर्स्ट युनिटमध्ये काय सांगितले, ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ हर्ब्स इन कॉस्मेटिक्स, शॅम्पूज अँड हेअर डाईज. Then next the bath oil, face masks, perfumes, etc. In that herbal cosmetology, first we have to study the application of herbs in cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics are formulated using different cosmetic ingredients to form the base in which one or more herbal ingredients are used to cure the skin infections. The herbal cosmetics are natural and free from the harmful synthetic chemicals. The cosmetic ingredients are improve the health and beauty of the skin. They are anti-wrinkle effects to sun protection, and also they are antioxidant in nature. The herbal cosmetics are the products in which the herbs are used in crude drugs or in extract forms. This is the importance of these herbal cosmetics. The herbal cosmetics may be word. The cosmetic words may be derived from the Greek word that is kosim, K-O-S-M, kosim, kosam, tikos. The meaning of the kosam tikos is to have power in skill in a decoration. The cosmetic product formulated by using the cosmetic ingredients to form the base in which one or more herbal ingredients are used, and it provides the cosmetic benefits only. It is called as a herbal cosmetic. The science of Ayurveda had utilized many herbs and floras to make the cosmetics for the beautification and protection from the external effect. Due to natural content in that cosmetics, it does not any side effect on the human body. The herbal cosmetics are the preparations which containing the phytochemicals from the different herbal plants or medicinal plants which effect on the skin and provide the nutrient to necessary for the healthy skin and hairs. The basic skin cleanse agents or ingredients are remove the dust or dead cells and dirt that chokes the pore on the skin. Some of the common cleaners include the vegetable oil like the coconut, sesame, and palm oil. The herbal cosmetics are enhance the physical and mental power of a human beings and also strength and immunity immunance of the human beings or immune system. The herbal hair oil like Brahmi and other herbal extract promote the hair growth used in combination with the henna, amla shampoo. These herbal oils are prevent the hair losses and act as deep cleaners. Next, we will study the henna plants. The botanical name of this plant is Lawsonia inermis. This henna comes from the plant family Lythraceae, which contains the dyes molecules called as a Lawsone. Which dye molecules or dye may be present in the henna plant, that is the Lawsone, may be contained as a diol molecules in a Lawsonia inermis plant, which when proceed and produces a henna powder. In henna powder, besides Lawsone, other constituents are also present, such as gallic acid, glucose, mannitol, fats, resins, and mucilage. The leaves of henna contains the different acids such as the tannic acid and also contains the green resins which is soluble in ether and alcohol. The Lawsone isolated from the leaves and has shown significant use as antifungal and antibiotic in effects. This is the importance of this henna plant or Lawsonia inermis plant. Then we will study the shampoo. In shampoo or liquid, what is mean by shampoo? A liquid or cream preparation of a soap or detergent to wash the hair is called as a shampoo. Shampoos are the product which removes the surface dust from the hair, shaft and scalp. What is mean by scalp? SCALP. The scalp is nothing but the skin covering of the head, excluding the face. The shampooing the most common for hair treatment. The shampoo is a hair care product typically in form of a viscous liquid that is used for the cleaning of hairs. The shampoo is used as applying into the wet hair, massaging the product into the scalp and then wash with the water. शॅम्पू आपण कुठं लावतो? केसांना लावतो. ओल्या केसामध्ये त्याची मसाज करतो आणि नंतर पाण्यानं काय करतो? धुवून टाकतो. फॉर दिस शॅम्पू प्रिपरेशन, Rita and Shikakai are mostly used in preparation of shampoo. The Shikakai may be obtained from Acacia consina species. The botanical name of Shikakai is Acacia consina. It is the best traditional herbs used to promote the hair growth and also the relieve the skin problem. In India, Shikakai fruits are used to cleanse the hairs and clothes. Morphologically, Shikakai is a climbing shrubs. Pods are oblong in shape, nearly 8 to 12 centimeter long and dark brown in color. The branches develop numerous these plants and with a number of short thorns. Leaves are bipinnate and flowers are pink in color. The bark, pods, and leaves are used in preparation of shampoo or other medicines. The Shikakai constitutes different chemicals such as the lutein, spinasterol, acacic acid, lactone, and natural sugars, etc. It is also contain the oxalic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, and alkaloids, galactomine, and nicotine. All these chemicals are antifungal and antibacterial in activity. They are very important. Some acids may be present in Sekkai pods as well as some alkaloids are maybe present, that is galactomine and nicotine. These chemicals and alkaloids or acids maybe play an important role, that is they are antifungal and antibacterial in activity. The next one is the Rita. The Rita, the botanical name of this plant is Sapandus trifoliatus. But in India, Sapandus mucrosisi is used in name of Rita. This plant is native of China, but it is cultivated in North India also. This is one of the oldest cultivated medicinal plant in the world. It is a small tree, flourish well in a loamy soil of a tropical and subtropical regions. It has a number of health benefits. Is keeping the hairs long and healthy. It is also excellent herbs for the skin problem like eczema and psoriasis. The soapnut powder is a very good antibacterial and antifungal agent. It is mostly used in cosmetics and contraceptive cream. It is also used as a detergent also. The soapnut leaves are used as pesticides in storage of food grains also. The Sapandus mucrosi is an important Ayurvedic plant herbs that is used for the strengthening hairs. Okay, the Rita has been used for the hair treatment due to side effect of any other chemicals, or they may be side effect of chemical shampoos. The washing with the Rita provide the shining and silky hairs. The soapnut make your skin soft, and soapnut water can be used as a face wash. This is the application and preparation of a herbal medicine or herbal cosmetics, the Rita as well as the Sikekai. Okay, thanks.